Assalamualaikum friends. Today we discuss what is construction and trade. Search what is construction and trade. Construction trade. Construction trade means any trade or occupation involving construction, alternation, remodeling, repairing, working, or demolition. Addition to or improvement of any building, highway roads, railroads, dam, bridges, structure, excavation, or other project, development or improvement to other than personal property. Construction trade means any trade of construction involving. Example of construction trade. Record shall at least involving for each employment the name, address, telephone number, construction trade, union application in any employee identification number when assigned, social security number, race, status. Mechanics, trainers, help or labor. Rates of change in status hours worked per week in the indicated rates. Rate of pay are locations at which the work was performed. Whenever the contractor of any subcontractor at any time subcontract a portion of work involving any construction trade, it shall physically include in each subcontract in excess $10,000. The provision of these significations and the notice when contain the application goals of male and female participant and which is set forth of association from which this agreement resulted. The goal set forth of association is which agreement resulted are expressed and percentage of the total hours of employment are training of minority and female utilizing the constructor should reasonably to able to achieve in such each construction trade in which act as employee in area. Whenever the contractor or any subcontractor at the tire subcontractor or portion of work involving any construction trade, it shall physically including in each subcontract in each of $10,000 of provision of specification and the notice which contain the application goals of a minority and female participant and which is set for solution of construct resulting. The goals had four of socialization from which the contract resulted are expressed in percentage of total hours in employment and training of minority female utilizing are contractors should reasonably to able to achieve in each construction trade in which has employed in covered area. More definition of construction trade. Construction trade means any construction trade of construction or land. Construction site means a workplace where construction work is being performed. Construction plant means a machinery, applications, and things of whatever nature required for execution, completion, and maintenance of the works, but does not include materials or other things intended to form a forming part of permanent work. Construction work means all necessary action or development, construction, renewing, furnishing, equipping, and implement of the plan and design of hotel. Construction products means an improvement that is concerned of original contract. Construction work means the works and necessary component and project of agreement. Construction activity means the disturbance soil associated with cleaning, grading, executing activity, or other construction related activities.